Hey! This is Technology Enthusiast. Today I'll tell you about the upcoming technologies that will revolutionize the maintenance of urban infrastructure. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to stay tuned for further videos. Today, technology has changed the way we lived. Our ways of thinking are also altered. Even after such a revolution, still technology has limited applications in our lives. For example, a lot of robots are invented, but still their function is to send back a flood of data which we have to read and understand. In the end, we have to solve problem ourselves. Although this is considered a big step, but scientists believe that's not enough. They are working for the technologies which will not only detect something but also do some work. I believe you should have seen drones somewhere in sports broadcast or taking shots of a place from a height. Currently, they just send back data in the form of pictures or videos. Scientists are working on drones that will detect problems residing in our urban areas like potholes on roads or on high construction sites, etc. They will also solve these problems. Let me tell you about a team of scientists at University of Leeds which is designing a fleet of drones that can repair potholes in roads. They will fly like birds in the sky. The fleet consists of 3 drones. One conducts inspections of the roads, another digs and prepares the road, and a third, with a 3D printer on board, repairs it. The team expects to have a working prototype of the system ready this year. Scientists are also working to develop robots that can function independently and indefinitely inside live utility pipes, carrying out inspections, repairs, metering and reporting tasks. They believe that within a decade such technologies will help maintain urban infrastructure. Future drones will land on high structures and will repair it or change a bulb or will install new communications unit in a communication tower. Such technologies will eliminate the need for workers to put themselves at risk, as well as helping to make a city run more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.